to show you how to add your Facebook account to your YouTube channel. First of all, open your Chrome browser, then search for YouTube, then log into your account. Here you can see I am already logged in. So here you can see I am already logged into my account. Also you need to open another tab, then search for studio.youtube.com. It will open our YouTube channel studio dashboard. Then click on this left side corner, there is a icon. Just click on this icon, and click on basic info, then scroll down. Here you can see channel URL. I have already added Facebook and Instagram, or if you want to add any other network, click on add link, this add link, then name the title and here add your URL. So now I am removing this, and already I am added Instagram and Facebook. So just I will show you once again, and I am removing this Facebook, and click on new add link, then type Facebook, then paste your Facebook account URL, click here and paste it, and upside corner there is, you can see the publish button is available. Just click on this publish button. That's all. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.